Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing an oil change on the Tenere 700. Fairly basic, but I'm going to show you something that I recently learned about after doing oil changes my whole life, and it's something that you probably know about, but maybe you don't. So stick around. Alright, let's get started. Fairly basic. Oil filter, oil pan. I gotta take off the skid plate first. We'll do that with a number 8 ratchet. There's just 4 bolts. Yeah, there's rocks falling out. Alright, easy enough. That comes off. Alright, next is the oil bolt. Throw down some newspaper. My oil pan was leaking and I just taped it up, and let's see if it still leaks. Alright, the oil bolt's a number 17. We'll just take that, loosen it. Alright, after we take off this bolt, we're going to discover the magic item that I had no idea about, and I've been doing oil changes on cars and motorcycles my whole life, and I just found out about this now. There we go. Alright, while that's draining, let's have a look at this bolt. This bolt has a little washer on it. It's called a crush washer. I had never heard of that before. It's the first time I've ever heard of that on a video that I was watching. And you're supposed to change these. Well, I've never changed one in my life. This is going to be the first time. And I've never had any oil leaks. So if you don't change it, it's not the end of the world. But I suppose it's what you're supposed to do on a proper oil change. Alright, so let's pry off this gold washer. Look at that. There's a washer on there. Who knew? Pop that off. Pop the new one on. And we're ready to go. Alright, next pop the oil filter off. And we're almost ready. Alright, let's screw the new filter on. This one's got a handy little nut. The new crush washer. Tighten that up. Now, won't that be a kick in the nuts if this is the first time I have an oil leak putting on a new washer? Yeah, the high flow filter is also a 17. Tighten that up. Nice and snug. Here's my high-tech funnel. Plastic bottle cut in half. This Tenere takes 3 liters, so we got 2 liters here, and then I'll add another 1. Alright, 3 liters in. Give it a little wipe, and seal her up. Now all that's left is to start it up and check for any leaks. Alright, let's start this baby up. Let's go check for some leaks. Alright, it looks pretty good with the fresh crush washer, fresh oil filter, and no leaks. So it looks like a successful oil change. Hopefully you guys learned something with that crush washer. Let me know in the comments section. Thanks for watching, and please be sure to like and subscribe. Which way? We're crying out.